Introducing the new Hamilton Beach Insulated Slow Cooker. It has the same interior cooking results as other slow cookers, but the outside base remains cooler than the leading competitor. And because many recipes call for searing or browning meat before slow cooking, we include a 6-quart non-stick aluminum crock. Simply brown your meat on the stovetop and place it in the slow cooker for easy one-pot convenience. The insulated slow cooker also features simple programmability. Use the up and down arrows to choose the desired heat and cooking time. When cooking is complete, the countdown timer automatically switches to keep warm. Now that's good thinking.
When your lemon chicken calls for browning and slow cooking, we make it so easy to do it all in one place. Combination cooking with the Cuisinart Cook Central 3-in-1 multi-cooker for saucy bolognese, low and slow. Braise short ribs, go high and low. Simmer soups and super chili. And even steam artichokes. With the Cuisinart Cook Central, you don't have to cook. It does the cooking for you.